Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones back with another video for you guys today. As y'all can see, if you watched my video yesterday, somebody stole my package. No, that's not either of the packages that I have for you guys today, but man, I'm feeling way more better. I just want to thank each and every last one of y'all who went in my DMs and even commented down below and just, you know, just gave me some words of encouragement. So with that being said, man, if this is your first time ever checking out a video, I would suggest that you hit that subscribe button because there's a lot of bangers coming very soon. On top of that, guys, if you have not already followed me on Instagram or Twitter, you sleep. I will go ahead and roll my IG right now. Go ahead and follow me. It is linked down below in the description as well as my Twitter. I do giveaways on my story that you do not want to miss. We got a good video, man. I got two packages right here that I want to show you guys. One in particular comes from somebody, and it's funny, you know what I'm saying? It's funny because he thought, I knew he knew I was gonna see this and I was gonna react to it, and I said I wasn't gonna react to it, but I kind of have to, man. So I know where this package here came from Unbreakable. He sent this over. Shout out Alan, man. Shout out to you, Alan. This is honestly like one of the dopest things that happened so far in YouTube, man. So as you guys know, I've always been asking for something dope to do my unboxings. As y'all see, I get a lot of packages in, and I always think it's dope when YouTubers have like their special way of unboxing things. And what happened was I was watching TV, chilling. Unbreakable hit me. Alan went to school with Unbreakable, so they know each other. And he was originally dropping something off of Unbreakable, and he was nice enough to actually bring me something, in Unbreakable FaceTime me, and I was able to check it out and thank him. I wouldn't say personally because it was FaceTime, but hey, I thanked him and I really appreciate it, bro, because at the end of the day, you didn't have to do that. So for the last and final time, y'all will see me unbox this with my hands, because from now on, I'm gonna be using what's in this box. And I'm gonna give you a quick little disclaimer, bro. This is fire, bro. Like, shout out to you, Alan, bro. I appreciate it. Let me go ahead and get this box open with my hands. I gotta do it Mike Rich style with these hands, so hopefully you guys. Mike, I don't know how you do this, bro. It's like every time. Golly, it's not that easy as it look, man. FedEx ain't playing around with the shipping. So we got it right here. I think is there something else in? Is there something else in? Okay, it's not. Sometimes you gotta check for like a message or, you know what I'm saying, something like that. Bro, this is so dope, bro. Like, this is so dope. So here go the box. As y'all know, Sniper Jones, man. Sniper Jones is the name, and this is dope because it's a bullet. It's a sniper bullet. And like the concept was dope. And the thing was like, it actually had to take time. Like, this is creative. Like, it's a sniper bullet and it's a blade. So I'm not sure how to bring the blade out. I think you just put, exactly. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Shout out to Alan, man. Alan, thank you so much, bro. I will link his IG down below in the description, man. Y'all tell Alan thank you, bro. This is like honestly one of the dopest gifts I ever got. Like, the concept of Sniper Jones, and you sending me a blade and a sniper, like, it's a sniper bullet. Like, that's so dope. Like, I don't know, bro, but just know I will be unboxing every single box that hits my way. All right, man, now it's time to unbox the first unbox. Well, actually, I don't really need this because I kind of already opened up this box. This is a pair of sneakers, and I've been waiting for a while for these, man, but I kind of already opened it, so I don't need to unbox it, but I will be using this very soon. I will be using this very soon. Anyways, guys, I already opened this one because after what happened yesterday, bro, I just been super paranoid. And also after yesterday, everything that comes to me will be coming straight through my P.O. box. Once again, if you guys want to send me anything, or if you guys want to show me anything, get me anything, my P.O. box address will always be linked down below in the description for anybody, you know what I'm saying? I'm not asking nobody to send me nothing. I'm just saying for people who want to go out their way and actually do something kind enough to do that, that is the most safest way to get it to me, because obviously it ain't safe regular mail and dropping it off at the door. Anyways, man, as y'all see, this is a regular Nike box. Now, thanks to my boy, he got kicks, I learned the difference between the orange box and the red box is like the orange box is more activewear and this one is more like lifestyle. The red box is more lifestyle. So, as I open this up, I want to say this is honestly one of the best sneakers in my opinion of 2019. I like the way it's going. I like the direction, and I'm super excited to have these. And they are, bye, man. Here we have it, man. The Nike Element React 87. This is the lime colorway. Now guys, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I've been wanting these for a very long time. I do have these a little early, and to be honest, the pair that was stolen, I know a lot of people always ask me, or a lot of y'all have been asking me recently, hey Schneid, what was the pair that was stolen from your porch? The pair that I wasn't going to say anything because I kind of thought in the back of my mind, I'm like, maybe, you know, I can dispute it, get my money back, and hurry up and buy a new pair, and not have to ruin a surprise for y'all. But it's not looking like that's going to happen. So the pair that did get stolen was the other pair. Both of these released very, very soon. So this official colorway is the light old wood brown. I personally just like to call it the lime React, even though it's a lime in a lot of colorways. But the pair that was originally stolen, those was a Volt Racer pink. And honestly, I was supposed to have both of these pretty early to do a review, and I was excited because I'm a huge fan of the Nike Element React 87. This is my first time having one of these in the collection, and I just wanted to give y'all something different, to be honest, man. The reason being is because a lot of times I give y'all the same thing. It's good to give y'all something different. Honestly, even I get tired of the same sneakers, whether a Jordan, a Yeezy. Now, you know what I'm saying, I got the Pumas coming in, I have the Element React. I'm definitely gonna get very different in the upcoming video. Shout out to my guy Generational Hypebeast once again, man. The same guy who looked out for me for the Zoom Fly Off-White, the black pair. I hit him after my package was stolen. I told him that the other colorway was stolen, and he really helped me be able to get this pair to bring back for you guys. So man, I really appreciate that. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I will link it down below in the description as well. When it comes to these Reacts, man, you see the 55s in stores, and those are dope. You know, I even saw a few 55s I wanted to go for, but these ones are a lot more livid. You know, they're a lot better to me. This colorway kind of reminds me of the original colorway, just because of this, like, this seal type of tannish brown upper you get. And also this shoe here reminds me of, where are they? I said this in my last video. So we both know that both of these, this is the Off-White Zoom Fly, but it still has like that translucent upper. This one got like the same translucent upper. So what's dope about both of these shoes are, like, whatever socks you're wearing or whatever, you know what I'm saying, whatever you have on your feet, it really contributes to the shoe more than anything, because you actually see your sock through the shoe. So this is not a shoe like a Yeezy where you can just go sockless. You definitely have to be cautious of what socks you rock with these to pull them off. And I am doing an on foot and a review for you guys tomorrow, man. So stay tuned for that, because once again, I'm excited to give y'all new content. I'm excited to give y'all another sneaker other than the average regular shoe every time. Honestly, man, looking at these, like, these are fire. Like, look at these, bro. Like, these are absolutely fire. I'm still gonna try my best to get the other colorway. I don't know, guys. Maybe I have to pay that a little bit over retail. If I get all my money back from the situation that happened, I'm gonna just put a little bit towards that to get the other pair, because I did want both. I had my eyes on these very early, even from like the 1st of January. When I first seen pictures of these, I knew I wanted these in my hands pretty early. And even though the resale is not going too much over the retail price, they were still pretty limited. You know, these don't really release in your retail stores. They only release online. You got your boutiques and things like that. So they're very hard to get your hands on. And nowadays, man, with me, it's all about comfort. Jordans are great. You know, I love Jordans, but a lot of times they're bulky. A lot of times you really not comfortable. This sneaker here, man, like, this material on the bottom of the shoe, it's not a Boost material, but it's soft, it's cushioned, and it really feels like it's gonna feel good on my feet. Even the upper is kind of got this same material as the Zoom Fly here. Even the tongue, you know, it's just like loose, man. Very livid. It's very livid and very loose. So with that being said, it's not going to be, you know, too much to throw these on, man, and head out your way. Comfort is huge for me right now, man. I'm at the place now where I move around a lot, I walk around a lot, and comfort is definitely something I need, and that's why I compared it to this, because it basically has the same upper. The midsole is obviously different, but you know, it's super comfortable, and being fly and being comfortable are two things that just go hand in hand nowadays. It's the best of both worlds. So once again, guys, stay tuned for that on foot and review tomorrow I'll be giving y'all. Please let me know down below in the comment section, how do you feel about the Nike Element React 87s? Are you a fan? Do you like them? Do you think they're hyped? Honestly, I don't really think they're hyped. I just think they're a dope shoe, and people know they're a dope shoe. I don't think they come with alternate laces, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they don't come with alternate laces, but honestly, I wouldn't switch these up anyway. I would just keep them the way they are. And yeah, man, that is just about it for today's video. New box cutter. Once again, shout out to you, Alan, man. I appreciate it. This is like the dopest thing I've ever received, bro. Like, please leave a comment. Matter of fact, comment how y'all feel about my new box cutter down below in the comment section, and I will shout y'all out in my next video. But that is pretty much it, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again to another video. Got some bangers on the way, so once again, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything. Also, hit the notification bell when I get on YouTube Live. I'm almost on YouTube Live almost like every other day. It's so fun interacting with y'all, chopping it up with y'all, laughing. IG and Twitter's linked down below in the comment section. Feel free to give me a follow on IG. I do story giveaways that you don't want to miss, man. Who don't want to miss free stuff? And before I leave out of here, you know I gotta say, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.